Here's a 2016 Toyota Highlander. It was made with power, space, and comfort for the fast-paced, schedule-packed, barely time-to-breathe life you experience every day. The athletic design shows off its eagerness to get going with its responsive engine and 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with super safe snow mode. Never stress over space again with plenty for family, friends, and cargo. Even when there's more cargo than people, the Highlander accommodates with a 60/40 third row folding flat. Your gadgets will never go dark with 3 12-volt auxiliary power outlets, and the N-Tune multimedia bundle with high-resolution display provides endless entertainment options. Plus, you'll always keep pushing ahead with Hill Start Assist and with the Star Safety System watching your back. Like a good soldier, this Highlander is at attention and ready for its next mission. Take it for a test drive today.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.